guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the I tried following a blank makeup tutorial, and I asked you guys on Twitter, so I already had a few people in mind that I wanted to do, but I got like so many requests of this person. So the person that was highly requested to do was BRETMAN Rock. I got a lot of makeup tutorials, I got a lot of Jacqueline, I got a lot of Manny, but BRETMAN was by far like the most requested. Plus I don't think I've seen anyone do BRETMAN yet, so I'll do BRETMAN. I actually just tried doing Jacqueline because she was like my second most requested, but she doesn't do her face in her videos anymore, so I was like, no thanks. Should we do tutorials? Wait. I'm gonna try to do the thing where I put like the screen in here. Okay, this is 2 years ago. Wait, oh my god, okay. Pink Glam, let's see. Okay.
Hey Beach, it is BRETMAN here. I wanted to do a makeup tutorial because everyone's been asking me for me to get right onto the video. So for me, I like to prime my face first.
Wait, he's so young. This was like 2 years ago.
And I'm using the Tarte Clean Slate Timeless Smoothing Primer.
Okay, I don't have that, but I do have this smoothing primer, which is Dr. Brandt Pores No More. I don't have that, so I'm just gonna use it.
And especially if you crease underneath your eyes. I have a friend that creases underneath his eyes, and he told me that it stopped creasing, and it's so good.
Okay, I'm gonna put it on my eyes.
I have like my recent videos and find it over there. It's not that hard.
Okay, perfect, because I already did my eyebrows off camera because I figured we probably do not do them the same way. So I just did them off camera, and he isn't doing it, so it worked out perfect.
And I just got this like a couple days ago, and I love it so freaking much. I'm just gonna put that on.
Okay, wait, so he's using like an eye primer. I don't use eye primer, I just concealer, so I'm just gonna use my concealer instead because I literally don't even own an eye primer. Just saying. And I'm just gonna set with some powder. Does he set? Wait, hold up. I don't think he does. Wait, did he? I don't know. I probably did it off camera or something.
We're gonna be using the Too Faced Born This Way.
I have that.
Foundation.
Okay, I'm gonna go get that. Hold up. Okay, so the Born This Way foundation is absolutely nowhere to be found in my house. I literally tore my makeup collection apart trying to find it. I can't find it. I'll just use my own. So
we're just gonna use a pump.
He's using a pump.
That for all over. Cause
I used like 3 pumps. So I'll just use my Estee Lauder foundation. He's using a brush, so I have to use a brush. I never use a brush for my foundation, so we'll see how this goes. I don't even have a foundation brush because I never do it with my brush. Damn, I missed that foundation. I don't know where it is, but I'm using like that much. And I don't know how I'm gonna make a pump of this work because the girl needs some full ass coverage. He has good skin, so can't really.
Master Shade Intelligence Compact, and if you don't want to purge on this, you guys can get the Lumi Cushions by Lumi Cushions. L'Oreal True Match Lumi Cushions told me. Okay,
so he's using a foundation cushion like over that foundation layer, so I'm gonna use that too. I think I still have the L'Oreal one, most likely. I don't know where any of my makeup goes these days, I swear to God. But yeah, I'm gonna go find it and use that on top because honestly, your girl needs extra coverage, so I'm glad you did that. Okay, so I found it, thank God. I haven't used this in like ages. Okay, so he's just, so he's using a sponge now. Okay, I'm gonna switch to a sponge, thank God.
Just setting your powder or like to put on top of your foundation. It's basically just to put on top of your foundation. This is what I'm doing right now, just for that extra highlighting. Now we're gonna work on highlighting out.
Okay, so he uses it just for extra coverage. Thank God. I don't even remember if I like this or not. We'll see. I don't know. Okay, so he's moving on to highlighting and concealer now.
Under eye and other parts of our face, and I'm gonna be using the Prep and Prime.
I already know I don't have this.
We'll color in our face highlight. Just to bring out our under eye and other parts of our faces.
Okay, so he's using a lighter shade just to highlight. So I'm gonna use my lightest shade of Tarte Shape Tape. This is Light Sand. And he's only putting it like right up here.
Now we have prepped and primed the places that we're gonna be.
Slow down, what the fuck? Doesn't take it anywhere on his nose, which fucking scares me because I put concealer all over my nose.
Mercier powder.
Laura Mercier, okay. Is he gonna bake?
triangle sponges that I got from the drugstore.
Okay, so I'm just gonna use like this side of the Morphe sponge because it's kind of like what he's using, and I think he's baking
some of the powder, but I'm just adding that on places where I have the concealer so I can work on my eyes. Oh my god, this really brings out my nose. It looks like a penis. It looks like an emoji.
Oh my fucking god!
Emoji. So first we're gonna be using Peach Smoothie by Makeup Geek.
Okay. I never bake this much, but he did it, so I have to do it. Oh my god, I don't have that either!
From that. And we're literally applying this all over the top part of our eyes. I like to make like a rainbow look first, like that.
Okay, wait, so he's using a pink shade. I need to get... He's using a pink shade from Kat Von D, but I don't have that. So I'm just gonna use this shade, which I believe is for Makeup Geek, in the shade Simply Marlena, maybe? I don't know. But he's putting it in... Use a transition color, but I don't have that color, so I'm just gonna go straight in. This. Oh shit, it's not fucking blending. What? What the fuck? What is happening? Oh my god, it's not blending. What? I'm doing one eye, but I don't feel like taking the time to sit down and do one eye at a time. That's just not my thing, so I'm gonna do both. Why? Oh my god, what is happening with this brush right now? I can't. I'm switching brushes. Hey, did I like forget how to do eyeshadow or what? Because this looks horrible. Maybe it's my brushes? I don't know, but I don't care.
A Destroyer, which is the color right next to it, right here.
I don't have that palette, so I'm just gonna use whatever red I can find. I'm just gonna use this red color from the Morphe 3502 because it looks like the closest match I have. I don't know. And it's the only palette sitting next to me, so.
It's underneath the swoon color, just for a really good dimension. Like, you want them to be like kind of hugging each other. 17 brush with the color Rewind. I'm
gonna use Cherry Cola. I think that was a shimmer shade. I'm not sure, but I'm not gonna use a shimmer shade because that terrifies me. I'm just gonna use Cherry Cola from Makeup Geek, and he's doing a halo, so.
Was under.
Of course, I'll pick the look that he does a fucking halo in. Oh my god.
Today we're taking the E4.
Holy fuck, my eyeshadow looks terrible. I think it's my brushes. My brushes are fucking dirty.
Now we're gonna take Whimsical by Makeup Geek as well.
Okay, I have
and
that.
We're gonna...
Gang, gang, bitch.
Now we're just gonna be using our pointer finger to put this on.
Oh. I can't use my finger, you guys, because I have 2-inch long acrylics, so don't drag me in the comments, please. I'm gonna use a brush. Does he wet it? Wait, I cannot not wet it. I didn't wet it, so I guess I'm not gonna either. I can't tell if these are even or not. They're probably not. I don't give a fuck though. I'm tired. I'm fucking tired. Like, I'm actually pretty jet lagged, so that's why I'm acting a little crazy. Definitely not as bad as my Valentine's Day tutorial though. You guys know I was literally delusional in that video.
Now I'm just gonna brush off the excess powder on our face.
Okay. Thank fucking god. How does he get it to look so highlighted, man? No. Oh my god, this is why I don't bake under my eyes, you guys. I don't have it on my nose either, so I have all this all out right there. How does it look so good on him? I don't get it. What the fuck?
Because we don't want to overbake. Because overbaking...
I overbake.
I'm gonna bronze my face using MAC Give Me Sun. This is a very...
Okay, I don't have that. Okay, so Give Me Sun is way too dark for me, so I'm not gonna use that. Where is my bronzer? Dude. Oh! I was using it as a mirror this whole time. Okay. If I were to use that, I would literally look like an Oompa, so that's not happening today. Not in here on this day. I was using So Hollywood. I have it, but it's over there. I'm not getting up to get it, so I'm just gonna use Omrizi because it's literally the same shade-ish. Not really, but.
If you think I'm too highlighted, bitch, you're right.
Me.
So, tell me more about your day. I'm very shiny, you know. We're gonna be using the NARS Super Orgasm. Not the orgasm, we're using the Super Orgasm, girl. Cause we're not just...
I don't have that. I'm using a Melba from MAC, just because I don't have that. Ooh, oh my god. Wait, oh. Fuck. Fuck, man. That's way too much. Okay, I actually do this, so perfect.
So we're gonna... I'm down. start right here.
This is like the first thing I actually have that he's using. Okay, where is my eyelash glue? I don't appreciate this. I really don't. Okay, so he applied his lashes off camera, so I'll apply them off camera as well. I do this anyways, but just put my lashes on. I have a love-hate relationship with these lashes. They either look like spiders on me or they're cute. Today, it's kind of in between. I don't know. Did he wipe off the bake? Wait.
And pencil in.
Okay, yeah, okay. Wipe off the bake.
Okay, so for the lips with this look, I'm using the Urban Decay 24-Hour Glide On Lip Pencil
I don't have that.
in 1993.
Oh, please. So I'm gonna use this Jouer in the shade Fawn.
Number 2, and this was their
Oh my god! Fucking broke, are you kidding me? Okay, Lily, look.
And I like this color so much, I can't wait to run out of it and buy the bigger one. But
okay, I don't have that anymore. Lolita's too dark for me, so I got rid of it. I'm just gonna use Makeup Forever liquid lipstick in 103.
Center. Just the center, do not have too much fun. And we're gonna dab it just to put it in our lips. And you get that perfect highlight lip color.
Okay, so that pretty much wraps it up. Mine looks totally different. We have completely different faces, so I'm not surprised. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up this I tried following BRETMAN Rocks makeup tutorial. I'm sorry if he's watching this that I did such an old video, but it's like the first thing that popped up, so. Yeah, and I like this look a lot. I think it's really pretty. Oh my fucking god, these eyelashes, bro. Oh, I'm so irritated. Oh, really? Okay, it keeps sticking to like my lower lashes. Did that ever happen to you guys? Your lashes literally just won't stay where you put them because it's my life. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe, like, comment, and turn on your post notifications if you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next one.